like to have a go. Fun. I'm going to take an empty Play-Doh container and try to make slime. And this is not empty, but I'm just going to take it out. It's like harder. Oh my god, guys, this is so hard to get out. I'm trying to make it because my friend, I know how to get rid of it. If you don't want to use a container, you can use a Play-Doh. And if it has some dry Play-Doh in it, put some water in it. Doesn't matter if it's cold. I'm gonna shake this. I'm going to shake this. Exercise. Yeah, I think this turned out to make like a bad slime Play-Doh. Oh my god. It was in my hands pink. No, I tried to. Yeah, Play-Doh. Oh my god, that just exploded. I am going to take a Play-Doh that's it because I replaced this. I colored it blue. Oh my god, I made it green. I'm going to add a little bit of water. Guys, that is a bit of water. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. I'm trying not to make it like spill. Guys, this is coming out like good. I'm gonna sit it down.
Welcome to the Four Stevens. How can I help you today?
Yeah, we need the room number for Nathan Kress. He's the boy who played Freddie on iCarly.
Are you friends with Mr. Kress?
Well,
No.
I mean, kind of, but no.
I'm sorry, girls, but we have to respect the privacy of our guests.
Come on, we're all people here. We are all people.
Yeah, that does not work, guys. I'm gonna make like a slime lid for you.
We just need to ask Nathan a quick question. We just need to know if his character Freddie was in love with Carly or...
It's time for my snack.
No, you can't. Please, honestly, you can't. We just need to... Aww. You said they'd let us in. I thought they would.
Hello. Welcome to the Four Stevens Hotel.
Thanks. I just need an extra key to my friend's room. His name's Gary Wolf.
Do you have any identification on you of any kind?
No.
Doesn't matter. Here's a key to Mr. Wolf's room. For F, the elevator's that way.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, I'm going to look for glue in my little slime basket. like a slime basket. It's just like a basket full of weird, crazy things. Like, I'm going to get some light in here. My big flashlight. Oh, I turned that on without even touching it. That's perfect. My big light. I was like, if you see that it's like a little too bright, it's okay. At least it's bright. I recorded. Squishy guys, I did get a squishy last year. Brain. It was so fun. Glue! Oh my god! Glue! Glue! Oh. Oh my god. It's awesome. The baby. But no pressure. This is going to be my slime bin from now on. Slime bin, like squishies, guys. I'm gonna have this foam in here. I want some foam in my slime. There's gonna be nothing in here. And so, like my friend gives me slime, and my friend gives me slime, I'm gonna put it in empty Play-Doh containers, and I'm gonna put like. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna like put like some slime ingredients in here. If I want foam in my slime, there's foam. If I want some glitter, there's glitter. But I'm gonna put it in here for now. I'm gonna put all these stuff back in here for now until I get slime. You need markers just in case if you have no blue color. And there's like this purple marker that looks really pretty. It's washable, so if you get it on the skin, it's washable. This blue marker, washable. This pretty little aquamarine, green, blue, green sock. There's a pink one. Oh, that's a big pink one. See, you got it out. Some highlighters, Play-Doh. Guys, if my friend gets, if I make slime, I'm gonna either use this little thing or this like pencil. So guys, this is gonna be like sample. This is gonna be like a sample, guys. Like, I'm gonna end up coming out with merch soon. But right now, this got my face like way too bright. Well, that's the light I'm gonna be using at 3 a.m. today. Oh my god, guys, I'm like so scared. But guys, this is gonna be like a little sample.
Hudson looks a lot like Freddy from iCarly.
No, he doesn't. Nathan Kress has dark hair and muscles.
I have muscles.
Your head's a muscle.
Well, all I gotta do is call my dad's makeup artist. She can make Hudson look exactly like Freddy from iCarly.
Yeah,
I'm going to put some of this lip gloss in.
Maybe I will. Yay! I get to be Freddy Benson! I get to be Freddy! Yo soy Freddy! Yo soy Freddy!
Oh my god, guys, I've been doing this for 9 minutes. I never did it for 9 minutes before. Oh my god, I never did YouTube for 9 minutes at all. Oh my god,
Run the lobby. You alright there?
No, I'm hot and I'm sweating.
Okay, you'll be alright. Kenzie, how you doing?
I can barely breathe in here.
Alright, hold on.
Amazing.
Okay, now wait here so I can do this.
What choice do we have?
All right, Nathan Crest, let's get you a new routine. Okay, but I'm a busy celebrity, so let's do this quickly.
What's happening?
Hi, welcome to the Four Stevens. Yes, thank you so much. My boss here, Nathan Crest, he needs another key to his room. Oh. What's your room number? I think I'm staying in 5432. Oh my gosh. I love when you say that on your show. Thanks. What show? Okay, I see we have you here in room 8D. Yes, perfect. Nathan, I'll meet you by the elevator. Who's Nathan? Pat, wait!
Yeah.
Hey, sir, there's a person. Hey, there's a giveaway free ham outside.
Guys, I just fix this thing. And then we're gonna be all set, and it's gonna be like a pretty little, not sign. Guys, doesn't have any activator, doesn't have any borax, doesn't have any glue, doesn't have anything. So I didn't expect it to be good. I kind of wished it would. But yeah, guys, that's going to be the end of my vlog until 3 a.m. Bye!